everybody, and welcome back to Miss Crafty. You can see this is our love month, and I specially welcome you to the love month, February. So in this month, I'll be showing you how to make all of these bags, which you can see from 1 to number 4. Please stay tuned, and if this is your first time of joining us, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I'd like to hear your thoughts. What do you think about my videos? Then also share my content with your friends if you like them. And if you don't like them, please also share them with your friends. They might like them. Alright. So you're welcome and happy Valentine. This love month, I will be teaching you how to use what is popularly known as the fishing line or twine. Otherwise, in the leather crafts or sewing world, it is also called the nylon thread. So love months, this is your nylon thread, red, like red, love month. In this love month, sewing is completely out of the question still, because at this point you're still trying to get acquainted with cuts and how to apply gum or glue. So sewing is completely out of the question, but instead the method we'll be using in this month is called the punch and tie method. You punch, then you tie. Now what we are commonly familiar with is the paper punch. The paper punch is something that looks like this. This is a paper punch. You just use it to make holes. You find this in offices and in binding shops, art and crafts. This is what they use. But you can also use this to make small leather items, and that is the basic thing that I used in this month for all the bags which we made for this month. Like this punch cannot punch or make a hole through a very thick item, so instead I made use of these manual punches. These are manual leather punches. They're very affordable and you can buy them in Aba Market, in Mushi. You can find this in Mushi. You find it in Aba. You also, if you live in a place called Katsina, you can find it in a place they call Greenhouse. So here, this is what we have, a leather punch. Now these manual leather punches, when you use them, you make use of a mallet. Mallet is what is used to hit them in to make the hole. But sometimes when the leather is super thick, you'd need a hammer instead, and we all know what a hammer is. For the punch and tie method, which is basically what we're going to be learning or using in this whole February, you can also use this. This is a belt punch. This punch is used for belts, for making holes on belts. You can also use them on bags for tying, like that's the punch and tie method. Then you can also use this. This one is more professional, but both of them, which I have, are really faulty, so I cannot use them. They shifted while I was working with them, so I did not use them throughout all the videos. All I used are the manual punch and the paper punch. So in the real sense, talking about a punch and tie method, what you need to know about the punch and tie method is that when you make a hole on your leather piece, you need to make use of the nylon thread. That's this nylon thread. Like you've already made a stack. That's lots of them. Lots of nylon thread all in a stack. This stack is what is used to pass through the hole, and then you tie it up. When you tie it up, you can either burn it a bit with a lighter, or you pour shoe super glue on the stack which is tied at the knotted point, so that it doesn't continue to loosen. In the video that is just showing, that you can see, what I am doing is a demonstration of punching and tying method using a fishing line or a fishing twine. I have the nylon thread wrapped around my toes first and fingers using my hand. Now rolling it severally will give me a stack of threads, as you can see. So the stack of threads will be either twisted, braided, or it is used as it is to form a fringe bag. This is an example of a fringe bag. And that's it all for the punch and tie method for February. And this is what you're going to learn throughout this month of February. You can see these bags, aren't they beautiful? They're quite classy and easy to make, although I must tell you that each of these bags took a whole day to make, except the first one, which is this, the one-piece bag. It's fastest to make, but for the others, as a beginner, it will take you the whole day to make. But if you're quite professional like me, then it might take just a few hours to complete one because of all the rigorous punching. Although if you can purchase for yourself a rivet presser, then it will be faster for you, because that is actually built for heavy duty. And this is what I mean by a rivet presser. This is a rivet presser. Use it to press rivets and also use it to punch holes on leather. Okay, that's it from me, Miss Crafty, in this month of February. So you just get prepared, buy a nylon thread, get a punch either from a bookstore or you get the professional leather punch. Also get yourself prepared with your Evo-Stik glue and your shoe super glue, which was used last month. If you have remnants from last month, you can continue with them in this month. So if you enjoyed the video and you'd hope or you want to learn how to make these bags that you have here, please subscribe to my channel, Miss Crafty, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me hear your comments. I'd really like to hear what you think about my videos. Do you think I'm making any progress or making any impact in your life? Or is there any advice you have to give to me on improving for the better? Please leave it in the comment section. I'd really like to hear from you. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends. Please click on the notification bell so that next time when I have a new video, you will get notified first. Alright, see you in my next video and bye.